as I'm preparing for quiz, I request now you can fill your feedback form, please. This is very important for us. So if you have application, you can log in. Either you can just open kahoot.it. They will ask a game pin that is written here. If somebody finding any challenge, please let me know. So once you enter your this game ID, they will ask your name. Please mention your real name because there are some prizes. So we will not able to identify who is playing. Everybody have logged in? Anybody left? Yeah, okay. I think you have installed application. That's why. Because we are running out of time, please log in, please use this web browser. It would be easy for you. Application was for those who have already used in their past programs or anywhere else. Anybody left? Can we start the quiz? Okay, let's start the quiz. My first question goes, which of these is a tool used in AI? Oh, I have displayed initially when I was, somebody can help him for game pin? I'm not sure whether now you can again do it.
This is not 906.
But this is not correct. What it's showing, which is correct? The fourth option. What is the fourth option? Neural networks. So if you are getting a red screen means that the answer you have given is wrong. So from 30 players, so okay, the game is like that. Question is appearing here. Answers are appearing here, options are appearing here, and you will get only the symbols for that answers. So for example, for art, you are getting a red triangle that will be in your screen, on your screen.
Can we restart?
No problem, we have 9 more questions. So which of these is a tool used in AI? It is neural networks. Let's go for the next question.
This is something which is time sync also. So in case you right answer, you answer it fast. Then you score the view.
So you can get the score. When I click next, you will get the who is topping in this series. Abhi, great sir. So he has given a correct answer as well as he is the fastest. That's why for this question, he has topped the score. Can I start with the next question? Okay. The study of computer algorithms that improve automatically through experience is the termed as done. 23 given has right answer and the right answer is machine learning. So let's see. Again Abhi, Mr. Abhi. Okay, next question. What is natural language processing? Major of the people are giving right answer. That's good. Mr. Daniel. Oh. Next question. What is used in two-factor authentication? 19 players. Videography, selfie, is it the right answer? Okay. Mr. Daniel, congratulations. Again, you have topped the scoreboard. Next. True and false. AI provides the scientific foundation for many commercial technologies. The tree, including those applications, disciplines. Dr. Sonar was talking about it. 27. Mr. Mehul. Okay, next. What is a node? Now the blockchain starts. A computer on a blockchain network. Mr. Mehul? Great. This team is, I would not say team, but this side people are winning. What happened? Okay, question 7. What is blockchain? A distributed ledger on a peer-to-peer network. Question 8. Blockchain technology worked on the principle of. It's both. And the last question, again Mr. Mehul. Last question, what is full form of 3V challenges? It's velocity, volume and variety. Intentionally I googled some words starting from V so that you people get confused. I think this would be about Mr. Mehul. Then again, this would be my last question. Which of them is blockchain platform? It's all of the above. So this is the final score. Please give a big applause for these first, second, third holder. And now I request Sridevi ma'am. Now it's your turn. आपने मेरे सर को बहुत परेशान किया है बुला बुला के. आइए मैम. Mr. Mehul, please come on the dais. Miss Abhilasha Vyas. Still we have some more. So Mr. Parthiv Bharti. Sadhu साहब आइए. Thank you so much.
So we can take a quick feedback. I know you all have written something, but if you want to share something to us, some improvements.
Yes.
Would you like to say something?
इस प्रोग्राम को आप एक दिन में समाप्त ना करें, इसको थोड़ा जल्दी करना पड़ेगा. 2-3 एंगल है उसमें. एक तो एंगल ये है कि इसमें आपने 2 टेक्नोलॉजी को फोकस किया है. कंप्लीट पैकेज भी आप डिलीवर करते हैं 3 दिन के अंदर. वो ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव है क्योंकि अब मान लिया कि आफ्टर वन टाइम आप 2 नई इमर्जिंग एरियाज के लिए फिर बुलाएंगे. ऑफिस का बड़े डिस्टर्ब होती है ना. तो ये इफेक्टिविटी एंड एफिशिएंसी टर्म्स में भी वो है. मतलब इस एक दिन को अटेंड करने के लिए वी आर इन्वेस्टिंग 3 days. तो अगर 2 दिन होगा तो तब भी 3 दिन में ही हो जाएगा.
कमल जी, आप कुछ बताना चाहोगे? Okay.
It was one of the best orientation for the new trends and technologies. And from Kerala, almost 7 people participated. And we are really very glad to have this opportunity.
Glad you found that.
All the faculty members were well versed of the issue and they explained everything in a right perspective. But last session was less boring. Last session on Bitcoin and blockchain, it was a little boring. It was theoretical in the content mode.
Figure out the key learnings, mostly at the strategic level. Like, whether this is the area where blockchain is something which is required, whether this is the area where blockchain is not required. So these are the things that we thought. The second thing is like what Sandeep is saying is very correct. Ki, there are more technology, there are more emerging technology. We thought of that. Then we think IoT is something. IoT ultimately, the data you collect from the IoT will terminate into AI and data analytics. So IoT in itself won't create any value. So we thought it would be good. IoT is something that we are day in day out we are seeing it. So Hector is already there. These Fitbit and all those things. So sensors are there. So we know how IoT looks like. So that's not the idea. But then definitely what he's saying is correct. No, for a day it's quite expensive. It's like sometime for the people who are coming from all over the different places, it's expensive. That's why we thought we will do it on Friday. ताकि Saturday को खराब नहीं हो सकता organization. We will 6 day working. So at least we eat up on Saturday. It would be.
We are all 7 day open. बुला लीजिए.
I would like to thank NEGD Mighty for giving us this opportunity, and I would like to thank Kamal Jain and Pooja for putting up such a beautiful program. In fact, they have managed the entire speakers and design and everything. So kudos to them. And I would like to thank our senior management who are always there to guide us and help us in every aspect. And not the list, I would like to thank each and every participant here who is very vibrant and made this workshop very interactive. Thank you so much.